What's up guys, welcome back to another tooltip video. In today's video, I will show you how to decrease the default padding with the spacer element. If you're at all confused about what I just said, this is what I'm going to show you how to do today. Do you see the difference between spacing? It takes 2 minutes to do, so stay tuned because it might just be what you need for your next project. Let's jump right into it. I'm just going to select this "Are you a business starter?" template. So to reduce the default padding at the top of this question, I'm just going to have to drag and drop the spacer divider element onto the page right above the question. Now, as you can see, a line has been inserted and the default padding already decreased a little bit. The first thing I need to do is to remove the line completely. So underneath options where it says line size, just drag this to 0. And now, as you can see, the line disappeared. Now to adjust the spacing, you just need to adjust how large you want the spacing to be underneath options. So you can kind of play around with this. As you can see, if I drag it to 100, there's a large space at the top. And if I drag it all the way to 0, there's hardly anything. So to decrease the default padding, you would need to drag this closer to 0 than to 100. So I'm just going to drag it all the way to 0. And as you can see, if I press save and close, now that default padding at the top of the question has completely disappeared. And that is it for today's tooltip. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. That would really help us out. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.